Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Starbucks app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be new to the Starbucks app here and you're wondering how to start using it. Well, using the app itself is actually pretty simple. So in this case, I'm already in the Starbucks app here. So in this case, the first thing you need to do here, if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and download the Starbucks app from Google Play Store or the App Store and create your account. Now once you create your account, this is the first thing you see here. So from the homepage here, you'll be able to have an overview on what's already in your account. Like for example, if there are any messages on your account, you should be able to view your inboxes and also past offers. You'll be able to see it in here as well. Now, if you want to view the nearest stores on your location, you could go and click on stores here and you'll be able to see the map, which in this case, it will show you the nearest locations or the nearest Starbucks on your location. Now, also you have the reward section here, which in this case, your star balance. So in this case, you'll be able to view your reward options if you click on reward options here. In this case, you have the 25 stars here, so customize your drink, espresso hot, non-dairy milk, syrup, and more. So yeah. In this case, you also have the let's get you started section here, which in this case, you have the pay at register or order ahead. Like for example, if you want to pay for something, like for example, you ordered something on Starbucks on a specific location and you want to use the app as a payment for the order itself. So you can use the pay at register here and you just need to scan a QR code in the actual store. Now, in this case, there are going to be a lot of things that you should view here in the homepage, but we want to focus on the other pages that we also are able to see at the very bottom here. Also, at the homepage here, you have the scan in store option. So in this case, you'll be able to scan a QR code on that specific store. So in this case, this section is actually quite hidden. It is a protected page. In this case, in the scan only page, you should be able to basically give them a QR code, which in this case, the cashier can scan it and you'll be able to start earning stars. Now, if you choose the scan and pay option, you'll be able to either reload your card that is connected on your account here or link a payment method whenever you want to pay via the app itself instead of getting your card or paying via cash. But in this case, let's go to order now. Now, in the order section, what we need to do is we need to basically start ordering. So ordering is pretty simple. So in this case, let's go and click on yes here. So this is not the default UI here. So in this case, you should be able to see the nearest store on your location. Like for example, this store here. Now you'll also be able to basically see if they are currently available. So in this case, you should be able to see if they're open or closed. Now in this case, let's go and click on the skip button for now and just click on the skip to menu. Let's go and click on yes. In this case, what you need to do is you need to first choose your store. So once you've selected your store, it should show at the very bottom here, which in this case, it will show you the store itself. Now, depending on the store, you should be able to choose the drink that you want to buy. Now, there are going to be a lot of drinks that you can get here. So in this case, if you go to featured, these are the featured menu. But when you go to menu here, you should be able to see the classics. In this case, maybe I want to buy a cold coffee here. And for example, I want to buy the white chocolate macadamia cream. Now, from here, what we need to do, let's go ahead and click on add to order. And from here, you should be able to add it in your cart. And as you can see, I was able to add it into my cart. To the bottom right, you could go ahead and click on it and you should be able to see your cart. Now, by the way, what you need to do is you first need to select your order or select your store as well before you'll be able to see your cart. Now, once you're in your cart, you can just basically do a checkout, add your payment method, or if you want to use your card, you should be able to basically make your order. Now, also, if you want to select this as a future order or order in advance, you could go ahead and do that as long as the store is actually open and they support that. But in this case, that's how you actually order here on the Starbucks app. We also have the gift section, which in this case, you'll be able to add your gift cards if someone gave you a gift card or even buy gift cards for different people. If you want to add a gift card, choose the got a gift card, enter the Starbucks card number and security code here to basically add this card into your account. We also have the option here. This is featured, which in this case, you'll be able to buy a gift card for a friend or a relative. You could go ahead and do that. So in this case, you could also add, like, for example, how you want to send it by a message or email. You can go ahead and do that and send their name here. And from here, once you fill out the details, just click on the checkout for you to send this specific gift card. Let's go ahead and trash this one. Now, also we have offers here, which in this case you'll be able to see offers right now for Starbucks, and if you want to leverage them, you can go ahead and do that as well. And if you want to read about them, you could go ahead and click on the Play Now or See on Wednesday. If you want to read through about them, you could go ahead and just click on it, or if you want to get that offer, you could go ahead and click on that specific offer itself. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.